to this video, magluluto tayo ng leftover or scrap. O, diba? Leftover vegetable. Ayan ang eggplant and long bell pepper, red and green. At the same time, meron po tayong skinless shrimp and puff tofu. And ang ingredients natin pag marinate sa skinless shrimp ay sesame oil, fish soy sauce, a little bit black pepper, and I put some sesame seeds. A little bit of cornstarch. At mekos-mekos na natin yan, guys. Yan, thank you so much for watching my videos. Again, cooking videos. And let's chop garlic. Depende po sa inyo kung gaano kadami ang gamitin yung garlic. Ako ay 3 piraso ng 3 cloves of garlic. Ayan, so i-chop natin siya. And ang ating red onions. Let's chop it, guys. Depende kung i-mince chop nyo or just the way I do. So, for today's video, let's gonna cook or let's gonna make some simple dish but yummy one. There you go, scrap po yan or leftover ko po yan. Last time na nagluto ako sa isang dish na ginawa ko pong binutasan ko yung talong. I make a circle shape at ginawa ko pong eggplant filled with minced fish. So, wag po kayong magtaka na walang balat yung ating ini-slice. Pero some part of it, meron akong natira na ganyan, hindi ko po nagamit lahat. So, let's make use of it kaysa itapon natin. And this dish that I'll gonna cook is just for myself. So, no worries po tayo dyan. But you can make it as a good dish too. Pwede nyo po siyang gayahin. Pwedeng buong talong, buong puff tofu, buong sili. You can make it on your own. It's a simple dish. And either you can add shrimp or exchange through meat. Either chicken breast or chicken thigh. Or fish. The sliced fish, the meat of the fish. Yan, kung ano-anong naisip ni Smiling na lutuin. Kaysa naman itapon siya, nasobra po siya and still good. Still good po naman yung mga gulay ko. So, I can make use of it instead of putting on the trash can. Ayan. So, mga leftover na mga gulay or scrap vegetable, we can use of it. Dahil hindi naman po siya tinapon sa basurahan, kinip ko po siya sa fridge. Dahil alam kong magagamit ko po siya. And it's still fresh dahil hindi naman po lumipas ang madaming araw. Isang araw lang naman ang lumipas. Kaya I can make use of it. So, ayan, kuda-kuda na naman tayo guys. So, thank you so much. Ganyan po yung paraan ng pag-slice ko. It's bite size or it's julienne cut, yung ating chili. Depende po sa inyong style. We have different style in cooking. And mine is, I'm just doing my own style. And yung initiative ko on how I cook dish and yung mga ingredients ay yung magandang paghalo-haluin. Ayan, so ganyan ako magluto guys. May pagka-innovative. Ganon. Ganon. Ayun. So, gisa-gisa tayo ng bawang at sibuyas. Until lumabas yung aroma ng sibuyas at bawang. Yan, mekos, 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 guys. Kapag ka-cowgirl tayo or cowboy tayo, we can do or we can cook the food or the dish that we wanted. So, ayan, igisa natin yung ating puff tofu po yan. Ini-slice ko yan. Ayan, ang ating talong. Maganda po yung talong dito kasi hindi siya masyadong magulang. Nakip ko siya sa fridge for 1 day and still good. So, I can make use of it. Hindi po natin sasayangin yan dahil pwede pa po. Dahil maraming nagugutom, maraming walang pagkain, maraming walang pambili ng pagkain o gulay. And still, ang inyong lingkod po ay meron tayong mga ganyan. So, pwede naman nating mapakinabangan. Yes. And, mekos, mekos, mekos. So, ayan, medyo nagisa natin siya. And, igisa na natin yung ating skinless shrimp na nalagyan ng minarinate ko po siya kanina with cornstarch. So, medyo mayroon po siyang konting lapot. Medyo malapot siya. And, let's put a little bit of water. Yan ang importante po. Lagi kong nababanggit sa aking mga cooking videos. Sa ating pagluluto, let's put love in cooking. Yan. Lalong sasarap po yung ating lulutuin kahit apakasimple nito guys. So, ayan. Ginigisa ko na po yung ating bell pepper. Berde at saka pula. In English, green and red. I'm making fun of myself here, guys. And I hope you two guys are enjoying watching my simple videos. I'll do the talking. Kuda-kuda. So, ayan. Nagigisa na at ilagay natin ang ating oyster sauce. So, as always, as I say, hindi po ako naglalagay ng MSG. And napansin nyo po, naglagay po ako ng skim milk or the fresh milk. Dahil gusto ko pong magkaroon siya ng lasa instead of gata. Kasi wala po akong coconut milk. So, I do use the skim milk. Ayan, lagyan din natin ulit siya ng black pepper, yung ating powder black pepper. At lagyan natin ulit siya ng toppings niya na sesame seed. Sesame seed po yun, guys. Yung nilagay ko. I did not put salt, only sesame seed, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Pampalasa po yun. So, ayan. Hindi natin kailangan ng madaming asukal. It's only just a little bit, 1 teaspoon. Dahil na-marinate naman po natin yung ating shrimp. So, ayan. Kumukulo-kulo-kulo. And malapit nang maluto, guys. Hindi po natin i-overcook ang ating bell pepper or the long bell pepper para hindi siya ma-overcook. So, ayan. Konting mekos-mekos, mga ka-smile, mga friends. And there you go. Ready to serve. Let's put on a plate. At pwede na tayong kumain maya-maya. So, that's my simple dish for today's video. It is from scrap or leftover vegetable and puffed tofu. You can use also the tofu for fried. Yan yung pwede mong i-fry na tofu. And ayan. Looks so yummy. So yummy, yummy. Alam ko, natatakam na kayo guys. But you can cook also for your own. And let's put a little bit art, a little bit garnish on the top. That's parsley. So, konting kaartihan lang sa top. So, that's it for today's video.